Guys, so magla-live withdrawal po tayo dito sa First Solar. Check natin kung paying pa po sila. So, yung invest nyo po guys is extract nyo po yun kasi hindi po papasok yung income nyo once na hindi nyo po pinindot yung extract, no? So, may 150 na po tayo. Magwi-withdraw na ako. Tapos guys, meron po itong 20% na withdrawal fee. So dati 25%, ngayon in-adjust nila na 20%. Kasi yung mall finance 15% lang, ito 20%, no? So withdraw na tayo. So wait na lang natin na dumating sa ating GCash. So 150 under review na siya, may tax na 30 pesos, so 120 lang yung darating sa ating GCash. Ito lang natin na dumating, no? Tapos ayun guys, ang aking in-invest dito is itong First Solar 3 which is 760. Ang daily profit niya is 204, no? So kaya 150 lang yung aking withdraw, hindi pa dumarating yung iba kong income which is i-extract pa yun hanggang mamaya, no? So 760, 204 in 4 days, gawin mo na agad yung puhunan mo. Tapos may 360, 96 pesos per day. Then may 160, 36 pesos per day, no? So ang minimum withdraw dito is 100 pesos pataas, no? So yun guys, may daily sign in po ito na 5 pesos. Kaya kung hindi nyo po kaya yung 760 is pwede po kayo mag-invest ng 360 which is 96. Tapos yung daily check is 5 pesos, so makaka-withdraw po kayo araw-araw dyan, no? So yun guys, ano ko na lang sa inyo once na pumasok na yung aking withdraw. So ayan na nga guys, success na po siya and pumasok na siya sa aking GCash. You have received 120 pesos of GCash from. So, paying na paying pa rin po talaga to si First Solar and pang 3 days na po siya pero still paying pa rin. So, magtatagal dito katulad ng size specs. 3 weeks po siyang nagtagal, nagpa-paying. So, bawing-bawi na tayo yun once na. Tapos, kaya siya magtatagal kasi nga may 20% na withdrawal. So, again guys, yung First Solar po, hindi pa po lumalabas kasi medyo bago pa lang po kasi to and konti pa lang yung member. Baka lumabas yan once na dumami na yung member, no? So, hindi to masyadong risky kasi nga mababa lang din yung investment, no? And medyo mababa lang din yung daily profit and may 20% na withdrawal fee. So, yun lang guys. If you want to invest, ilalagay ko na lang sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again, invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye!